Securing a win in Pampanga, a province of 1.31 million voters, will be a challenge for Vice President Jejomar Binay. Then Liberal Party Vice Presidential Betmar Roxas beat Binay here by almost 193,000 votes. But in the May polls, two things can spell the difference for the United Nationalist Alliance standard-bearer: Roxas' supposed inefficiency as Interior Secretary and the number of local leaders who are allied with incumbent Pampanga District 2 Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, who are also allied with Binay. Hundreds of supporters listened to Binay discredit Roxas in Pampanga.
Pero ang tanong ko naman sa inyo, yun kung ipinanalo nyo ho rito, nakita nyo ba? Nalam naman mahuli nyo? Yung kanyang mga pinapangako nung siya ay nagkakandidato, nasaan na pagkatapos ng halalan? Hindi ko yun ang tamang namumuno. Ang namumuno, tumitigil sa kanyang pangako.
He then takes pride that Minalin is a sister city of Makati, where Binay was mayor for 21 years.
Dito sa Minalin, nilalahat ko na po sa inyo sa Pampanga. Ito, hindi na ho kayo tumatawag. Basta't pagkabasa namin, makita namin sa TV na lumubog ang Minalin, lumubog ang Pampanga. Si Jojo Binay kasama niyo po rito kahit anong oras. Di ba?
Binay's ally, former Candaba Mayor Jerry Pelayo, says times have changed in Pampanga and that the upcoming elections may work in Binay's favor.
Sapagkat dito sa Pampanga, yung mga incumbent at yung mga dating mayor at magkakatunggali sa lokal dito, nagkaisa for Binay. No, bahala sila sa lokal, pero lahat ito well represented by the 20 municipality and 2 cities and 3 cities. Lahat sila may delegation na nangangahulugan na lahat dito sa Pampanga naging idol nila si Binay.
It also helps that Binay is sympathetic of Arroyo, who is suffering from the weakening of the bones. The Vice President, a human rights lawyer, says the government should give Arroyo more compassion and allow her appeal for treatment and house arrest. She is currently under hospital detention for plunder charges over the misuse of the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office funds while she was president. While Binay used to be a critic of Arroyo, he now counts several of her allies as his supporters, including Pelayo, former Zambales Representative Mitos Magsaysay, and ex-Quezon Representative Danilo Suarez. Suarez explains that Binay's sympathy led to Arroyo ordering her allies to help the Vice President campaign in Central Luzon.
Day one na-detain si GMA, gumawa na ng position si BP na dapat bigyan ng pagkakataon magpagamot. Formal proclamation yet, but minus the formal proclamation, the marching order of the former president is to help the vice president.
Magsaysay adds that local leaders' programs for their constituents in Central Luzon are similar with the promises of Binay.
Alam mo, bilang congresswoman, naging kilala ko bilang congresswoman libre dahil lahat ng serbisyong kalusugan ng edukasyon libre sa amin. Nakita nila si VP Binay also is giving that sa Makati at sinabi niya na pag siya naging Pangulo, kung ano yung natitikman ng Makati na libreng edukasyon, libreng pagamutan, libreng ospital, libreng doktor, yung mga benepisyo ng senior citizen at ngayon tatanggalin niya yung buwis sa mga kumikita ng 30,000 pesos and below. Yan po ang gustong-gusto ng mga constituents ko sa Zambales. Kaya ang Zambales po full support din sa kandidatura ni VP Binay.
With her warm reception, residents in Pampanga are convinced Binay can fulfill his promises too. With 2 months left to campaign, Binay vows to work hard to achieve his childhood dream of becoming the next president. His experience, capability, and a little help from his friends in Central Luzon might make this a reality for Jejomar Binay. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Pampanga.